On a quiet, magical beach, where the ocean hummed soft lullabies, lived a tiny blue bird with the gentlest heart.
But today, the little bird felt something new, a tiny hunger it couldn't ignore. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Hello there. Are you a new friend? Peep, peep. Hello. Maybe we can find food together. Yes. Let's look towards the shore. Step by step, the little friends searched, hoping to find something special. Nothing yet.
Oh my! A berry! I got it!
And just beyond, they found something magical. A hidden beach feast.
Together. Together.